Hello and welcome to another 3D comparison video. The far background elements have been created using generative AI. These make use of a simple material with only a diffuse map. To the right of the screen, we have the default mountain range from the Electric Dreams scene. Let's take a look at different view modes of the scene.
Let's see how the AI elements have been generated.
The first step was to generate some mountain images concept art. I have generated several images using Leonardo.ai. I have chosen this AI tool since this is free. I have selected two images that have the same style and I have uploaded them to CSM.ai platform. These are the two output meshes used as far-set dressing environmental elements for the Electric Dreams scene. The AI-generated models can be further improved with better textures. The Unreal Engine Electric Dreams scene as well with some volumetric elements to define clouds and fog. Do you consider that generative AI will disrupt 3D model creation workflows in the near future? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching.